back to my channel. My name is Dan Ruiz and this is my kitchen. Today we're going to do baby back ribs with a spicy guava barbecue sauce. As you can see, we have our baby back ribs. We're going to start by removing the membrane in the back. I suggest you remove it unless you want chewy ribs. A good trick to do it is to get a paper napkin and kind of work the back until you get a good grip on that membrane. Once you remove the whole membrane off, we're going to go ahead and season our baby back ribs. I like to use mustard as the glue that holds the seasoning. So go ahead and put some mustard sparingly and rub that in. And we're going to coat both sides. And we're going to turn it this way. Go ahead and now what we're going to do is you're going to use your favorite rubbing seasoning, whichever you like. As much seasoning as possible. There we go. And we do the same thing on the other side as well. Alright, now that you got your rib all seasoned up, we're going to turn our grill to 275. I have a Traeger smoker. We're going to go ahead and turn that on and set this for about 3 hours.
Alright, let's go ahead and make that spicy guava sauce. We're going to need 1 cup of tomato sauce, half a cup of vinegar, a little stir. We're also going to need half a cup of brown sugar. Work that in, as well as half a cup of chipotle paste, and also guava marmalade to your liking, as well as paprika powder to your liking. Give that a little stir.
Alright, we're going to place the baby back rib on top of the guava marmalade and brown sugar, just like so. We want to do the same thing on top with all that guava marmalade. Alright, now we're going to place this back on the grill for about 2 more hours. We're doing the 3-2-1 method. Moment of truth now. Baby back ribs spicy guava barbecue sauce. Yeah. Join me on my next video.